In Oklahoma, homes with crawl spaces are typically built with the exterior footings and stem walls poured first, and the crawl space framing system installed afterwards. Each system can move on its own, or at the same time, based on a variety of factors. You may end up with two sets of issues. So, what causes this? In Oklahoma, our expansive clay soil swells when it rains and shrinks during dry spells, and this movement puts pressure on your home's foundation. Over time, this stress can cause subtle shifts and visible exterior damage. Further, in crawl space homes, one of the most common causes of foundation problems is insufficient support between the center beam and the exterior stem walls. Without proper mid-span reinforcement, the floor joists and framing can begin to warp or sag over time. This can lead to the visible issues you're seeing inside your home. Left untreated, this movement can worsen over time, affecting your home structure, aesthetics, and value.